Hello everybody. Detroit Jeep back here, and here's another box. I know you're saying another unboxing, but that's exactly what it is. And if you look to the left, which I can't hide, you probably know what it is. It's ARMORLITE. It is their new, well, not new, but it's new to me, mats. But these mats come insulated, and it eliminates you having to have that rubber mat, worrying about cleaning up. This, you just take out the drainage on the Jeep. You have this hole already here, comes with a plug. You can get them different colors and go ahead and pull them out. In the box there's only two, reason being is that that's all that came. The warehouse is still working on ARMORLITE's still working on doing the ones on the back. Came with this bag here. In the bag we have stickers. These are the plugs. I got the black ones. I didn't want to get nothing weird looking colors. And here's some plugs. These plugs go in the holes. These holes here. So you can put the other piece that comes with the dash back on there. This is going to be a quick install, so I'll go ahead and show you how it goes. Alright, this is going on the wheelie, of course. So you can see it's dirty. Like I said, you take the plug out. I'm going to rip this out. These are going to be for sale. So these are original. If anybody's interested, leave me in the comments. And I'm going to sell them very, very cheap. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. So I'm going to go in here, pull this piece out. You can see right here. Right there. And then I'm going to go here. There's a screw right here. It's right here. This one here. I'm just going to eliminate this whole side piece here. And you're going to come in here, pull out. I'm not going to get the little tap thing. Pull this out, pull this one out, pull. What happened is I already pulled it out from here. Pull this out, pull this out, pull the carpet out, take out the two screws, lift it up, and it'll come right out, and just slide the other one in. So I'll go ahead and get the tools and get right to work. Okay, and this is how easy it is. I got a 10mm. Take out the bolt that was right here, but it's not even a bolt. All it is one of those little washer dandy things. So just pull that out. I'm gonna put it somewhere where I don't lose it. And all this right here, just yank it out. The one in here is gonna be the same thing. Just gonna pull it out. This I already pulled from under here. It's out. And then this piece here, I need to pull on this to take it out from here. Let me see about this, because I'm gonna need both hands on this part here. But I think this is also part here that can be pulled out just like the other piece was. Let me try here to pull this out. Trying to get my fingers in here, but of course it always seems to be a little play. Give me 1 second, I'll tell you how I got it out. All right, I got it out. I just had to use my two hands, go under here and yank it. It just slides in underneath the lip. You can see I always get cut for anything. Goes in here, and that's about it. There's a clip here, there's here, so I guess these clips technically go under here. So I'm going to go ahead and check where they exactly go. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to use a T45 to take this bolt out. All I need is to pull this rug from here. The other side's already out. It doesn't go underneath the bolt. And what I'm looking at here, that one's going to go underneath. That already looks like it's out. So I'm thinking you don't have to take it out. I will let you know, and you will follow me and see how it goes. But let me look at this thing here. Okay, so the clips do go here. There's one. Here's two. 2. Here's 3. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and they click on it. I'm gonna go ahead and take the T45 and start taking this bolt out, and then we'll go ahead and move the rug. So you can see I took the bolt out, but the rug actually, from what I can see so far, you can pull it out. Okay. And then let's make sure where we pull it up from the front. Ta-da! Now look at this. You know what that is? That is coffee. Here are some snacks. Yeah, my boy spilled coffee in there, and that was the smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and, it's kind of sticky. Go ahead and clean it up with some all-purpose, and we'll get back to putting this on. Ta-da! What a difference. Just go in there and clean it up. I used Goo Gone. Reason being is that it was sticky, so I just want to make sure it was going to come out. The smell is gone, but it's all nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this area here just in case. I cleaned it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and start sticking the carpet in here and show you how it goes. Alright, here's the factory drain plug. You take it out. Reason being is that when you dirty the other one, it's going to have a drain plug. You just pull it out, pass a hose, all the water go through there on the bottom, since you can't take out the new carpet. So that's the way it's gonna be right now. Let's go ahead and start installing. All right, here's what I did just to make it easier. I went ahead and took the 4 bolts out, and I just leaned it up so I don't have to disconnect the cable. I'm gonna go ahead and take the mat and try to tuck it in here, one-handed. So goes underneath the gas pedal, brakes. All right, I skipped the part here. These things that come, there's 5 of these and 5 of these. I think I'm missing some because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just for one side, and there's only 1 bag. So you might have to take the ones off for the other one. These weird looking ones go in the back, and this one goes in the front. You snap them together, or you put them together, and then you slide them back into the hole just like it was in the beginning. Let's see how this goes in. Like that. Okay. Alright, don't be as smart as me. Do not clip them together till you get them in the holes, because they're a pain in the ass to get out. I thought I was going to break them. And this, what you see here, is sweat. That one just dropped right now. So just imagine how hot it is out here. Oops, there's another one. And how much I'm sweating just to get this done, this video for you guys. Hope you appreciate it. Like I said, we'll go ahead and see if I can do it. Put that there. I'll put this one here. I need both hands. Alright, the bottom one is kind of oval, as you can see from the old one. So I had to pull it out. It's not too bad to pull. The other ones, the new ones are. I'm gonna try to put it in here, but that hole seems like it's too small. Might have to cut a little bit bigger. Alright, like I said, you have to cut. I tried with a razor. The best thing is if you have one of these. If you don't, go to Harbor Freight. If you have a Harbor Freight near you, just go around the edge. And then I just banged it in, which worked. So let me go ahead and try to put it back in the car. In the Jeep. Jeep. Alright, I kind of got it in. You can see what it looks like. It's starting to rain. The only trouble I'm having is trying to line this up so I can get this in there. It's a little hard, but it's so damn hot too. I'll get it. Alright, another trick I learned. I was trying to put it in the opposite way, and it wasn't going in. After struggle, sweat my ass off and almost having a heart attack. So let me turn it around, and this way it fits good. So don't be dumb like me and just try it the other way. But here it goes. There's the clip there, clip back there, clip back there. I'll stick this underneath, put the seat back down, and we'll see what it comes out looking like. Alright, here's what the finished product's gonna look like. I put the things back on. you know what? I'm missing something. Then you always forget something. So I'll take this back off, put the clips, tucked it underneath. Make sure the air duct is clear, vacuumed. I'll put the seat back. Let me go ahead and put the... Here's a finishing touch of ARMORLITE. Now I'm not going to show you the full video of the installation on the passenger side because it's the same as on the driver's side. But I'll show you the after, what it looks like. Alright, now I'm done with the passenger side. Passenger side was faster than the driver's side, and you know why? Because anytime you do something second, it always comes out better. Any questions, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. And if you know anybody who's interested in buying the original mats, they're only not even a year old, let me know and I'll sell them to you very, very cheap. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.